What's up traders, welcome to live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is Forex Wizard, your trading coach. I'll be doing a live trading session, live analysis, and my apology for the previous stream, little bit of technical difficulty. We couldn't reach you in proper way. Hopefully that this time will be all right. Probably live chat option, if you can see, hopefully it should be there. The previous one has a little bit of issue due to the live chat option, probably some technical issues. Now this time you should be able to see that. Let me clear the live chat option so that okay, so I don't have a live chat this time option, so you can use the live chat option on the screen. You can see probably I will not be able to highlight your chat this time. So in the meantime, guys and girls, you can see that. Can you write down that you can see me properly in the chat? Okay, very good. Thank you for that. My apology for this technical difficulty. Suddenly it has happened. Anyway, what we can do at this point, the previous link for the stream, probably some of you still on the old link, so hopefully that everybody will be able to see this one slowly. Anyway, let's go back to the let's come back to our analysis and session. What's happening now? To see, I can see sound is clear. Thank you very much for that. Hopefully that everyone will be able to watch this this stream. Let me remove the previous one so that everyone can see this this current stream. Hopefully, let me check that where is the previous one so that I can remove this old stream. One moment, and we will start the analysis fully. Content. Okay, so this one. Delete this one. Okay, guys and girls, so let's begin. Hopefully should be okay, everything. Give me one moment so that I see that everything is going right. Okay, so hopefully now everything is okay. Unfortunate technical difficulties. So let's begin with euro dollar. This today, as you have seen early today, I have posted analysis on euro dollar and quite a few pairs including GBP USD. Let's begin with euro dollar. What happened? Now euro dollar, we have secured the profit. According to the analysis, the price did exactly as it is. Smash the like button, guys and girls, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. This is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. Now, why I have analyzed the euro dollar today? Let me explain everything. And you can see on the screen, we have secured the full profit on these pairs with our VIP students who are trading with us. You can see that this is the trade that was sent to our VIP students with all analysis and everything, and you can see exactly the same trade here. In the next 2 hours to 3 hours, we hit the full profit on euro dollar in our VIP channel. Now let me tell you why I have sent this trade. As you have already seen my analysis on euro dollar early today. Now let me explain why I have taken this trade and what is the reason behind this trade. It is important that you can understand. Now if we replay the chart here, what do we see? That euro dollar basically, as you can see, that this is the euro dollar created this bearish engulf around the 4-hour time frame. Now if you look at the bigger picture, monthly perspective, you can see that this is the main thing that you need to keep in mind when you are trading. From the monthly perspective, euro dollar has been rejected from this very, very important liquidity zone. Why it is an important zone on the monthly? If you look at the bigger picture, you will see that there are all the monthly candle are red except one candle which is not related to the movement that can give us a significant resistance. That is what happened. This is this level acted as resistance for this move, and we have seen that strong rejection to the downside. Weekly perspective, this is what exactly I mentioned in my weekly forex forecast. You have seen that after this long wick candle on the weekly, the price tested this level, this previous swing high, swing low, exactly this one, this support as a resistance. The price rejected means that the bulls are exhausted. Now the bears are ready for the move, and this is what exactly happened. We have seen that euro dollar, as soon as the market open, started to melt. Now daily perspective, the same thing. You see that on the daily time frame, the price was creating a series of lower high on the daily and then strongly rejected down. That means that this trend line on the daily time frame is broken. You can see that it's a clear breakout of this trend line, and from this breakout we have seen that euro dollar started to drop. Now if you look at the intraday or 4-hour time frame, this is where I am tempted to take this trade and send this trade to our VIP students. Is that first of all, you see there is a double top formation, a clear double top, and then has a breakdown with this narrow retracement followed by this bearish engulfer, and from this zone we have seen that the price has created a pattern that in my strategy, and we have taken this trade. We have secured full profit, 2.2 times profit. Now if you want to learn my strategies to catch that trade like this and also trade with me in the live session in the private VIP Telegram channel, you can find in the link in the description area. You can join. The price is very little in comparison with the value you have seen in your own eyes. You can find a link in the description area. Now let me look at, guys and girls, what you are thinking, and my apology for the inconvenience for this primary error, little bit of in the first stream. Let me find out if I can okay, so if I can integrate the chat overlay again so that I can highlight your chat. Hopefully let me look at chat overlay, browse source. Okay, couldn't do it. Okay, so I'll have to do it later, chat overlay. So today I will not be able to highlight the chat. Anyway, I can see your chat, what you guys and girls are up to. Razib Ahmed, everything is okay, thank you. I can see you. I can show you the chat here, guys and girls, what you guys and girls are writing here. Let me look at it. So Sharik, I can see you, sound okay. I can hear you. Can analyze gold, please. I will look at it, all of them. Steve, sir, thank you. Sir, are you more focused now on the signals after what happened in the VIP chat? Okay, so yeah, Trolley, absolutely, thank you for that. I'm always focused, always to give the best trading signal possible for my VIP students. Sometimes everyone sometimes get wrong at some point, but I'm always focused and dedicated to give the maximum possible value to our VIP students. Now you can see that euro dollar, what happened. Now we have opened another trade, guys and girls, on euro GBP, which is moving in the direction of the trend. You can see that this is also the trade that we have opened later today after we close the euro dollar trade at full profit on euro dollar. You can see that after 2.2 times profit hitting on euro dollar, I have sent another trade signal on euro GBP, which is almost hitting now more than 1-to-1 profit now, which is moving in the direction of our profit target as well, guys and girls. How many profitable trade you need to become a profitable in this BIP in this Forex Trading Wizard Academy? Now euro GBP, let me give you a full analysis on euro GBP, and then I will look at what you guys and girls are up to, what you guys and girls are thinking for these pairs. Now starting with the monthly time frame on euro GBP, you can see that there is a strong bearish engulfer on euro GBP. You can see that there is a strong rejection from the top on euro GBP. Monthly, you can see that there is a long-term monthly channel on euro GBP. This is the monthly channel, and then the price has broken to the upside. This is a liquidity grab on euro GBP, and then the price started to drop. Now on the monthly, we have seen this very strongly bearish candle on the monthly time frame, bearish engulfer. So this is basically a liquidity grab. This you can see all the time in the market in all time frame. I have prepared a dedicated strategy on to find out this kind of liquidity grab. I'll release it soon. There are some signals as well on liquidity grab. Now at this point, what we see euro GBP on the monthly perspective, the price tested this resistance zone here. You can see that, and from this resistance we have seen that the price now rejecting on the monthly on euro GBP. On the weekly perspective as well, if you look at the price section, you see that there is a clear strong rejection followed by this retracement, another rejection, now followed by retracement. Now we can see another rejection. So daily perspective, you can see that euro GBP has created series of lower high on the daily time frame. Every day series of lower high followed by this past day there is a narrow doji has been formed on euro GBP on the daily perspective. Now on the 4-hour perspective, we see that textbook head and shoulder has been created. Okay, this is a nice looking head and shoulder followed by a clear middleman or a bearish angle, or whatever you want to say. This is where I have posted the trade to our VIP students, which is now running in good profit, and I'm confident that we will be hitting the full profit target on this one as well, guys and girls. If you are interested in learning my strategies, trade with me every day this kind of pairs, and also learn my strategies, you can find a link in the description area. Let's look at to see what you guys and I share. I didn't get the euro GBP trade, but I will wait for the retest at the neckline. Yes, absolutely, you can wait for this zone to go up to test the neckline. Louis said, I can hear you clearly now. Thank you for that. Today I am not able to highlight the chat due to some technical difficulties, but I'm trying to mention all the chat. You guys and girls are saying. Trolley says, sir, how to count the peep of gold. So I have basically a peep count, what I can say, I have a tool that I use for calculating. But for gold count, you can use Forex Fact, myfxbook.com. You can find this free website, myfxbook.com. Okay, so myfxbook. So if you go to this website, myfxbook.com, you can find an apps also. So, and then go to the position size calculator. Okay, position size calculator. go to the position size calculator, and then use gold. Here should be a gold option. Yeah, there is a XAU USD. Now place your currency pair. Let's say if your account currency in USD, place it as USD. Now account size, let's say your account size is 3000 as an example. And risk ratio, how much risk you wanna trade, let's say 2% or 1%. Stop loss pip, now say you wanna place your stop loss as 50 pip. Now calculate, it will give you how much lot sizing you need. So that's how you can find out lot sizing using this website. But if you want automated, then I would suggest you to download any kind of risk manager or position size calculator on MetaTrader 4 that I use. That really helps. That's better rather than using. But normally I use for gold, let's say for 10 pip move, I use an arbitrary calculation, but I can't explain that way. So the best way is to use a position sizing calculator or use the website. So that's how I normally use for gold pip calculation. Now let me look at Sura DXY resistance coming near now. What's your opinion? We'll look at it. USD CHF, silver, Faisal Ahmed, silver, Sura says GBP USD creating hammer at support. It's that bullish. We'll look at it, all of them. Alvin says AUD NZD, please. Yep. Martin Alex GU, yeah, we'll look at it. My subscribe BTC USD analysis, no problem. Erika, thank you. Would you please go GBP AUD? Yep, we'll look at all of them. But you know that you don't need all the pairs to trade. Always keep in mind, you see that Euro GBP trade that has today early given. I posted analysis for this one on TradingView, not on YouTube, for Euro GBP. But I send this trade signal to our VIP students after closing the euro dollar trade. Now we are running Euro GBP. Now you know that if you can catch a trade early like that, you can easily find any kind of trading opportunity, any kind of things you can do that. Now at this point, let's look at some other pairs, let's such as gold, what it's doing. Now gold, you can see that the price now testing this support as resistance. That's what I mentioned in my TradingView analysis. Now gold, you can see that has broken this completely, this level of support. You can see this support is broken on gold. Now you can see, first of all, let's look at the bigger picture, monthly perspective on gold. Monthly, we see that after this bounce from this level of support on gold, there is a strong bounce on the monthly time frame. The support here, there was a strong bounce on monthly, and then this first 2 weeks of the month, we have seen gold has gone up to this important level of resistance. Now we are seeing that rejecting. Now that means that on the weekly perspective, we see as soon as the market open, we have seen a strong rejection. Now this is a kind of bearish move. Long term gold is bearish. You can see that this is a bearish market, and if you take your Fibonacci on the weekly perspective, you see that starting of the move to the end of the move, we see gold exactly retraced 61.8% Fibonacci golden ratio, which is aligning with this important level of resistance. As a result, we see strong drop on gold. Fibonacci traders, trend traders, everyone is placing short on gold. And daily perspective, we have seen a strong breakdown. Now we see market structure is broken on gold. Okay, if you look at the 4-hour time frame, we see that the market structure is broken. Why market structure? You see that this is the dynamic support gold was respecting, and we have seen it is broken. Now at this point, this current 4-hour candle, what it is doing is testing this previous support as resistance, and that's where we could find a selling opportunity. What I think that gold will test this zone here, you see that, and that could be a possible selling opportunity after closing of this candle. If we see significant rejection, we could find a selling opportunity in gold, and that's what I'm expecting. Now as you see that GBP euro, they are dropping, the dollar is getting stronger, means gold will get weaker. That's the normal way how the gold moves. Now at this point, you have seen that euro dollar, euro GBP is dropping, so that means that gold might drop. You see the price now testing this support, support here as resistance, and we see that gold started to drop. Now let's look at what you guys and girls are up to in this live session. Faisal silver plays here, GBP USD creating hammer at support. It's that bullish. You look at it. AUD NZD, please look at it. Martin LXGU BTC analyze, please look at it. Erica, would you please GBP, you look at it. Kaylee Rosa GBP NZD, look at it. Natural gas, Anita, you look at it. Your weekly forecast helps a lot, thank you. No problem, Kaylee Rosa, that's awesome. Nino, can you check USD ZAR? Nino, you look at it. So I think that some of you still didn't find my stream due to the link changes. So let me see if I can give the link, can share the link. Let me see if I can share the link so that everyone can, your channel. Okay, so this is the stream. Give me one moment. If I can share this stream, that will be really helpful for those who lost the stream. So let me share this. Okay, so okay guys, so yeah, I think that this will help. Now some of you might get me in the link. So Christopher, dollar yen, yeah, drop a lot. Yeah, we'll look at it. So first, now you see that gold now doing exactly it should be doing. You see that the gold is now testing this broken support as a resistance, and we see that the price is rejecting on gold. Now the price started to reject on gold due to this. There was a strong breakdown. The market structure is broken with gold. Now the price is testing this previous support as a resistance, and we potentially see, hopefully that we'll see a further drop on gold. That's what I think. Now at the same time, guys and girls, let me look at let me go back to euro dollar again. Now euro dollar trade that as I mentioned earlier today, we have secured the profit on euro dollar as I mentioned, and the trade was 2.121. So guys, you know that this is the trade, this is kind of trade that I wait for. So always keep in mind that when you see there is a saying, when you analyze something, if you analyze a couple of things intensely, you can get the point. So this trade, you see that, let's analyze this a little more so that you know why I have taken this trade on euro dollar. What is the factor involved in this trade? Now you see that how you analyze a trade. Look at this. This is the dynamic support. You see that, and that's how this green candle basically break out of this dynamic support from this way, and at the same time we see that the price also broken out of this level of support. Now from both of these, this is the support here, acted as a resistance. In both cases the price tested this support as a resistance and also this support as resistance, and then from here we have seen this bearish engulfer has been created on euro dollar. Now this bearish engulfer is really powerful. You can see it has crossed all the way to the upside, okay, and also it has crossed the bottom, crossed the lower side of this bearish engulfer and created a very strong price action. This kind of pairs, when you see this kind of pattern, that's you can say the 98% probability trade setup. So you shouldn't be losing money when you are trading this kind of pattern. And euro dollar, you can see that we had a 2 to 1 risk to reward trade hit profit target. And when this trade that I have sent to our students, you can see that probably I'm just repeating this is so that because some of you have missed this trade, probably you haven't seen due to the live stream error. So now you can see that where we can expect euro dollar to drop. Now if you look at the bigger picture, again go to the monthly, what I think that euro dollar will drop to this level. You see that, let me give it to here. Okay, so this is the previous support zone here on euro dollar. Okay, and what I think that euro dollar at least will drop to this level of support. Okay, that is a big move, isn't it? You can see still. Why? Because you see there is a double bottom here already, and that has broken up. All right, so what I think that the price will break this lowest point of this consolidation, and then we might see that another push to the upside. So with that in mind, then where we can enter again. Now let's say, okay, Wizard, I have missed the trade you sent, now I want to enter again. No problem. Where you can enter is, wait, you see that this is the doji is being formed. Now wait for retracement to the upside on euro dollar, probably a narrow doji, 1 or 2 dojis or double dojis here, and then you can consider shorting on euro dollar based on the price action confirmation. You need to wait for again a retracement, probably 1 or 2 dojis, and then you can enter another trade on euro dollar when it will show the price action confirmation for shorting. So let me look at the chat, what you guys and girls are up to. So today I'm not being able to highlight the chat due to some technical difficulties. Faisal silver, yes Faisal. GBP USD creating a hammer at support, this bullish. Yeah. Alvin AUD NZD, please have a look at it. Martin Alex GU BTC analyze, please have a look at it. Would you please GBP AUD look at it? Anita natural gas, okay. Hello coach, can you look at GBP JPY? Helen says, yeah, we'll look at it. Christopher AUD JPY. Nietzsche says, how much trade take in 1 day in Forex trader, 1 hour, 4 hour time frame? So we normally use 4 hour time frame, but today we have win back to back, like we have one good trade on euro dollar, and now euro GBP trade that we are running, which is also running in good profit, and I'm pretty confident that that one also will be a good winning trade. Aussie Yen drop. So let's look at Aussie Yen. Tomorrow there will be a news on Aussie, and we see that as a result a very strong drop on Aussie Yen. Now let's find out where we can enter a trade on Aussie Yen. Let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on Aussie Yen, as tomorrow there will be news on Aussie, and we might see really a good trading opportunity. Aussie Yen, as Yen is getting stronger, Aussie getting weaker, because as you can see the dollar yen also getting the same thing, dollar yen also dropping, so we can see Aussie Yen also getting very good drop on this one. So now first of all, let's look at the bigger picture, monthly perspective. We see that Aussie Yen early this month we have seen there was a rise on this one. The price already tested this monthly trend line. You see this is the monthly resistance on Aussie Yen. Now what we see that the price is rejecting to the downside on the monthly perspective. Now if you look at the weekly, we have seen from this zone a strong rejection to the downside, and what I think that Aussie Yen will continue to drop as we have seen quite a few months consolidation, and we see that strong rejection currently. Now looking at the daily perspective, you can see that on the daily time frame the price has created this a very strong bearish engulfer is being created. And what I think that on the 4-hour time frame, the price already has broken out of this market structure completely. And what I think that you see that this is after 16 minutes, this current 4-hour candle is closing on Aussie Yen. Now after this close, I don't think the price will drop again. From here we could see potential retracement. Now where I can expect Aussie Yen to sell? Well, it is impossible to sell now because it's a very strongly falling market. What I think that we might see 1 or 2 or 3 candles retracement. So this is the New York session candle. There will be probably 2 or 3 more candles on Aussie Yen until tomorrow news release on the 4-hour. I think that 2 or 3 candle will go up or will retrace to the upside, and then we might see another drop. So that is what I will be waiting for, a potential setup on Aussie Yen after a proper retracement, and then I will be considering shorting Aussie Yen. I think that will be a good idea after we see a proper retracement in Aussie Yen. Guys and girls, in the meantime, as you have seen, we are running some trades. If you want to learn my strategies and also trade with me like we do with our VIP students, you can find a link in the description area. You can visit the website to see possible joining opportunity. As you have seen today, we have closed 2 times profit euro dollar trade, and euro GBP trade is currently running with good profit. This one also 2 times profit target. And a dollar yen trade, we have closed break even, but that one also going in the direction the way we expected. Now let's see what you guys and girls are. GBP CAD and Chandas, yeah, we'll look at it. Trader Expo, dollar yen. Okay, so let's look at dollar yen now. Starting again as usual on the monthly. Now dollar yen monthly, you can see that this is a very strongly bearish market. Dollar yen, guys and girls, you can see that dollar yen, it's a very dollar yen long-term bullish market. But now what is happening, this current monthly candle, the price is rejecting, okay, from this resistance. The reason is yen is getting stronger, and the price already, this market is overextended to the upside. You see this price is historically high with the yen, so we could potentially see a drop on dollar yen. The reason is the price is already overextended to the upside, and we could see a potential retracement to the downside. Now weekly perspective, this is what exactly I mentioned in my weekly forex forecast on dollar yen. There was a very strong bearish candle on the weekly perspective, and the price has created this head and shoulder. You can see that it's a nice looking head and shoulder, and followed by this narrow red candle. This is a strongly bearish market, and I think that dollar yen might drop a lot. On the weekly perspective, we might see the dollar yen creating a new lower low than this one. Okay, so wait for a bigger move on dollar yen. On the weekly perspective means that we could potentially see a big drop on the lower time frame. You see that the price already on the daily perspective, the price already after this drop retracement, it is dropping again, and I think that it will continue to drop. Now 4-hour, this current 4-hour candle is going to close after 13 minutes. Now the best place for selling dollar yen next is on the retest of this reversal pattern. You can see the dollar yen already has created a reversal pattern. A kind of head and shoulder has been created, followed by this breakdown with this 4-hour candle. Now what I am expecting, dollar yen to go up and test this previous support here as resistance, and then dollar yen is likely to drop. And I think that this is the best place for selling. You see that the price already tested this daily 4-hour 20 period moving average with this bearish candle, and after a little retracement we could potentially see a drop in dollar yen. Smash the like button. I see this is due to this is the new stream, that's why I see a couple of likes. Give big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. There was due to the technical difficulties, the first stream was interrupted. Due to that reason, probably some of you are not getting the stream. I probably have to look at it again. So in the meantime, guys and girls, give a big thumbs up please, that will really help, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Now you have seen from the analysis and from all the trade signals sent, Forex Trading User Academy is one of the best trading education program in the world. No one ever will be able to give you such an accurate trade signal with such an accurate analysis with such a powerful strategies. And if you want to learn my strategies to become a Forex wizard, you can find a link in the description area. You have seen every day the live trade videos that I am posting. Tomorrow there will be another on euro dollar. Make sure you watch that, because the live trade videos that I am giving is when I am entering the trade, when I am following up the trade, when I am the hitting profit target or stop loss. So there is no way that no one can play with it. It's a live trade that's sending to our VIP students. I'm trading and I'm showing it to the live. See, Forex Wizard show his magic in live market. So make sure you watch that so that you can become an independent, profitable, professional trader. This is the goal of Forex Wizard. Forex Wizard struggled a lot in his life as a trader. So this is my goal, is to create as many trader as possible before I die from this world. Look, I have a passion. This is my passion and purpose, is to create trader. If you dedicated to become a trader, if you stick with the Forex Trading Wizard Academy, you will become. There is a saying that if you hang on a barber shop for long enough, you will have a haircut. So stick to the Forex Trading Wizard Academy. That education you will find is completely unique. You can't match with anyone, because the education I'm giving here is not taught from anywhere, but from a long hard work and experience, and also some experience are not pleasant through painful experience. It's a creative work for all of you. See the strategies, the middleman strategy that I'm trading every day, the strategies that I'm using, this all strategies I created over days, months, years of time, standing in front of the chart, sitting in front of the chart, observing the chart, how the market works. So this strategy you will not find anywhere from any book. It's created from the heart. So if you want to learn this strategy that is proven, you have seen every day in live market, it's a rare opportunity, because the spot is being filled. The price will go up due to the spot availability. There is a lot of demand. Now you can see look, this is the Telegram, live Telegram screenshot. I can give it to you for today, what happens since morning. This is the opening of the day, and you can see that all this trade that we have seen, euro dollar, dollar yen, euro GBP, all this trade, you can see that euro dollar we closed with 2 times profit, 2.2 times profit. Euro GBP we are running. Dollar yen trade we have closed break even, but dollar yen trade it could be even a winning trade. And also AUD CAD trade go to the other direction. So most you see that euro dollar trade hit 2 times profit. That's a huge. Now euro GBP going the same direction. So all this trade that was sending the analysis, the strategies is proven and incredibly powerful. So now let's look at gold again, guys and girls. We see that there is a spike on gold. You can see this is what exactly I mentioned today also. Now gold, what it is doing basically, you see that this is the resistance that gold is respecting. You see like this. Okay, and after closing of this candle after 1 hour 7 minutes, what I think that after this one is dodgy, then we might see the next one might go around 50% of this dodgy, and then will continue to drop. That's what I think. So as you see that dollar getting stronger, so gold might continue to drop in this direction. So okay guys and girls, so let's look at British pound US dollar. Okay, so British pound US dollar currently testing this previous support as resistance. You can see that this is the previous support here. Okay, British pound US dollar previous support testing as resistance, and we see that we could potentially see a drop on this one on British pound US dollar, guys and girls. I think that as I told you, the long-term market is bearish, and monthly and also weekly is bearish. So we could potentially see a drop on British pound US dollar. So we could potentially see a drop, and I'm expecting to drop it because a long-term price action is bearish. On the daily perspective, we see the price already created a double top formation, and I think that the price will continue to drop from here. Let's see what happens. So British pound US dollar, if you look at the 4 hour, this is candle is closing in 5 minutes time. I think that's another bearish candle. The price already, you see that from here we have seen double top, okay, and then breakdown, okay, and then there is a bearish engulfer, again breakdown, followed by this retracement, again breakdown. Now with this current candle, we are seeing the price is testing this previous support here as a resistance, and we can expect a drop from here as well. Let's see what happened. British pound US dollar, euro dollar, the same thing. The price is creating dodges, but for euro dollar I need a little more retracement because we already secured one trade, and I want more before entering I want it to do further retracement, and then we can consider shorting on euro dollar again. So let's look at GBP AUD. Okay, see AUD is getting weaker, very weaker, so that's why GBP AUD is going up. Now monthly perspective, I think that GBP AUD at this point I will not be trading, because you see the price already came to this very low level, which is almost visited in 2017. Now from there we see that there is a rejection. We might see a little bit stronger rejection to the upside on GBP AUD, guys and girls. So let me look at on the chat what is up to. No problem. David says it's excellent analysis. David, thank you. Frederick, gold, please. Yes, smash the like button. User, thank you. Brandon, good evening, sir. Sataraman, USD CAD, Mahabubul Islam, thank you. Look at it. How about GBP JPY? Thanks a lot. Humlam says, Theo, what's the price again, please? Look at it. Good day, Coach Wizard. What's the best entry point for UJ short on the reversal? So let's look at GJ and UJ, which is giving us really nice opportunity for trading. Now looking at GJ, this is what also I mentioned in my weekly Forex forecast. You have seen that now GJ strongly dropped from here, very strong drop. Okay, that's a huge drop. Now at this point I will not be doing anything because the price already dropped a lot. So what is the best place for selling GJ again is wait for the retracement to this level, which is, if you take your Fibonacci for this movement, Fibonacci from the high to the low, and you see that this previous support zone here, okay, this previous support zone here on GJ, this is the previous support zone here, okay, this level acting as a resistance, okay, on this GJ, and the same level we see 61.8% Fibonacci level, and what I am expecting GJ at some point later today to go up to test this zone, and then we can consider shorting. Otherwise, if we see slow retracement, you see back to back, let's say 2 dojis or 1 dojis, that could also give us a nice selling opportunity. But there could be a bigger move on this one as well, like GBP USD, because dollar, yen is getting very, very strong, and even dollar yen you see that is dropping. So yen is the strongest now, and anything against yen could be, let's say, Aussie Yen, okay, GBP JPY could be a good place for selling, but not now. We need to wait for a potential retracement. Always when you see a move, you need to wait for retracement, okay. What kind of, let's say, again going back to the trade that I did, euro dollar today, the profit that we hit, you see that there is a move, strong move, and then look at this 2 candle retracement, and then when there is another move, that is where I have entered the trade, and that's where the high probability trades are made. So that's what you need to wait for. When you see a strong move followed by this retracement, and after the retracement you will see another move, that is where the entry is. Again repeating, when you see a strong move, do not jump on a trade, wait for a retracement, probably a slow or a speedy retracement. After the retracement, you see the price started to move again in the direction, okay, and that is where you will be entering the trade, selling or buying. So with that in mind, you see that GJ now dropping, right? The candle close now, we could potentially see an uprise or a retracement, okay, and after the retracement you see another drop, and that is where you will be entering the trade, okay. Retracement and starting of the trend is where you will be entering the trade, guys and girls. So let me look at what you guys and girls, Eliezer said USD CAD, please look at it. GBP CAD, okay. Christopher, GBP JPY seems like broke its support. Yes, GBP JPY has broken everything, including his hands, legs, everything. Good day, Coach Wizard. What's the best entry point of UJ short reversal? Okay, let's look at UJ entry point possible. Now UJ, this is the 4-hour time frame. Now this is the on the retest, you see that on the 4-hour time frame, UJ already created a reversal pattern. You can see that reversal pattern. This is the liquidity grab. So this zone is basically a liquidity grab on UJ, and from this liquidity grab, if you draw this this support zone here, reversal, this is where the entry point is on the retest of this support on UJ. You can see on the retest of this support as a resistance, and if it is rejected, then we can enter shorting on UJ from this zone, keeping a stop loss above this high. Take profit at least 1 to 2 or more risk to reward ratio on UJ. This is where the entry point for UJ, guys and girls. So let's look at what else we have here on the chat. So USD CHF, please look at it. Alvin, AUD NZD, all at support. So oil also dropped, we have seen today. Oil, what about US 30 and NAS 100? So please, small feedback, sir. Okay, so let's look at a little bit of US 30 and US 100, how it is doing. Now US 30, okay, US 30 also looks like that it might start to drop, okay. The way the price action formed, I think that there might be a drop on US 30 as well, and US 100, the price action looks like bearish, and I think that you see this is the lonely candle. I think it will come at least to this level. Okay, looking at the daily perspective, yeah, there is a probability for dropping down. The way the price, this is a very strongly bearish price action, guys and girls, and I think that the price might break this low and then we could create a bullish pattern. So US 30, okay, that means that US 100, the same way, it's creating a bearish price action, and I think that the price will continue to drop on this one as well. So let's look at, see what happened. Yeah, I think that US 30 will continue to drop to the downside on this one as well. That's what I believe, and the price will do that. You can see that this is a strongly bearish price action, and what I think that the price will, yeah, after even it might create a narrow doji here, probably will create a head and shoulder and then will drop from here. So let's look at hi sir, how are you? I'm good, Saran. Thank you for GBP AUD. So is it still going up till where? Okay, sir, market session UK US second afford our target Euro GBP was him. Yeah, cool. Yeah, Euro GBP has formed a middleman. Let's look at Euro GBP. Let me look at Euro GBP again. So Euro GBP, yeah, that's the middleman that I trade. Now Euro GBP, already we are running a trade, and I think that this middleman, so there is a middleman on Euro GBP, and already we have seen a head and shoulder on Euro GBP, and you can see that after closing a euro dollar trade with our VIP students, okay, we have opened another trade on Euro GBP. You can see that this is the trade that was sent early today, and we are running a good profit on this one. Okay, and what I think that the price will continue to drop, as there is a middleman. You see there is a middleman has been formed on Euro GBP, and this is from this important level of reversal. You can see that this is the reversal pattern here. Okay, a head and shoulder, nice looking, and then dropped. The price now likely to go up, test this neckline, or may not go. But what I think that if we trade this middleman, okay, even 1-to-1 could be a good trading opportunity. Okay, smash the like button now, hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet. No one will give you this kind of value in anywhere. If you want to learn my strategies, link in the description area. You can visit the website for more information. So now you see that Euro GBP is setting up for a drop. That's what I believe. I could be wrong at any point. Trading is all about probability, so make sure you manage your risk all the time and don't blow out your account. So yeah, guys and girls, let me look at what other business. GJ, we have seen possible drop. GBP, so most of the GBP pairs is showing a strong drop. Now GBP CHF also has created another bearish price action, guys and girls. You see that there is another middleman on GBP CHF with elements of false breakout. You see this, there is elements of false breakout to the upside, meaning that is setting up for another drop. So GBP looks very strong in all aspect. So let me look at this one, how it is doing. Now GBP CHF, guys and girls, creating a strong bearish price action. So what I think that the price will continue to drop from here. Okay, so you see that on the GBP CHF in this zone, the price has created a mini head and shoulder. Okay, and with that head and shoulder, there is a middleman, and the price now started to drop. So what I think that after a significant retracement, it should continue to drop, as this is the long-term bearish market. Selling is always a good idea in this kind of market, guys and girls. Now GBP CAD, Now GBP is weaker. Let me look at the bigger picture monthly. Okay, so GBP CAD, you see that this is a very tired market. So we see some movement happening to the upside as CAD getting a little bit of stronger, weaker. On the weekly perspective, GBP CAD started to move up, and I think that there might be a point where you could see a drop again on GBP CAD. Okay, GBP getting weaker, so you might see it is setting up, going up for a drop again. And what I think that what place for GBP CAD to drop is this zone. Okay, so this zone could be a point where we could see a reversal pattern on GBP CAD. So GBP CAD, what I think that it might respect this trend line, guys and girls. That's an opportunity coming for GBP CAD. You see that this is the channel here, it's creating, and you see this is the channel. So the price is reaching at the top, and what I think that when the price will go here later today, you know, that tomorrow there is a news on CAD. Now I have a dedicated strategy to trade this kind of pairs combination with news and price action. Some of our VIP students already learned that strategy. They are on fire now. If you want to learn that strategy, you have seen my analysis in live market. You've seen the proof. Now if you want to learn this strategy, go to the website, join the lifetime access plan, because in other plan the strategy will not be available. The strategy only available in the lifetime access plan. If you want to become an independent profitable trader with a little investment, it's a rare opportunity. I keep it reasonable for everyone, because my goal is not to make money. I can make money from trading. You have seen every day I'm making heaps of money. It's just to help the trader. You might say, okay, then give away. I can give away the strategy, but if I give away the strategy, it will not work anymore. Okay, there is a reason for it. I can't tell you. So the reason I can't give away the strategy, if you want to learn this gold mine, you can go to the website, see joining the lifetime access. What I say is you can see the proof in my live analysis, live trading session, and today also you have seen that. So that's an opportunity you can grab if you like. It's choice up to you. So let me look at will you ever bet against the monthly trend? For example, the 4-hour demand zone on GBP JPY. So Cape Town Brown asked a question that will you ever bet against monthly trend? Yeah, you can bet against the monthly trend. See, monthly trend, you know that when there is a monthly trend, there will be a monthly retracement. Okay, so a trend is up, but the retracement will be down, right? So monthly trend, if the monthly trend is up, the retracement is down, is basically the lower time frame is downtrend, right? So it doesn't matter. The thing is that you need to go with the flow. Okay, let's say if you see that a monthly uptrend started a monthly retracement, that can be a good downtrend on the 4-hour or even on the daily time frame, like the dollar yen is doing. You see that dollar yen long term, it's a bullish market. You see that if you look at the monthly trend, it's a bullish, right? See that it's a bullish market. Okay, but if you look at the 4-hour, it starts a downtrend, right? You see that it's nice looking downtrend. GJ also same thing. You see that GJ, Eurusd, all of them long term is bullish. You see, long term bullish market. Okay, but on the lower time frame, on the daily and 4-hour, it's in a downtrend. So that's why the multi time frame approach is you need to find out in relation to the higher time frame, where is the price, is the lower time frame, is the price bounced from the monthly liquidity zone. The way that Euro GBP trade that I have sent to our students is from the monthly perspective. You see that, let me tell you why I have sent this to our VIP students, and it's gonna be a winning trade now. It's almost 50% profit done. You see that monthly bearish engulfer has formed on Euro GBP, okay, followed by this retracement to the upside. Now you see that this is the monthly liquidity zone. Why? Because you see this long monthly candle bottom here, and the price exactly rejected from here. Okay, that's what you need to look at. Now if you look at the 4 hour, you see on that point, okay, on that point there is a rejection, a strong rejection, and then created a head and shoulder, means that it's a reversal. So monthly resistance, okay, reversal means that it's a high probability. You see that the price created a middleman, and from here we see that the price dropping. That's how the powerful the strategy. My students already knows that it's a middleman. Even I was in looking at other chart, but my student Wasim said that it has formed a middleman, and you see that the price is dropping. Smash the like button now. I give you 2 seconds, give a big thumbs up guys, because this is the second link for the live stream. That's why it didn't reach to many of my subscribers. I apologize for that. So I need more likes so that the stream reach to more subscribers. This really helps the channel, helps me, and will keep me motivated to give you more value, to create more for you and for me, also for everyone. Thank you for this. I see some likes coming. Thanks a lot. And let's see how the gold is doing. Okay, gold as expected, as I told you, that the price tested now this important support zone here as a resistance, and we see that rejecting, right? So what I think that gold from here, after little consolidation, we might see that gold coming down as the market structure is broken. So we could potentially see that gold continue its long-term downtrend, because monthly perspective, you see that on the monthly, because this long wick candle has been created on the monthly, this zone has not been tested yet. When you see this kind of long wick candle, you can expect the price at least to come some level, let's say 50% level of this monthly zone. That can give us a really shorting opportunity on Euro GBP, guys and girls. You can see that. That's what I'm expecting. Pardon me, gold, not Euro GBP, gold. And the price already you see this price testing this support here as resistance, and from this zone I think that gold will continue to drop to this monthly level of support, not in one day, but slowly it will continue to drop. Okay guys and girls, greeting everybody. Felix, thank you for joining. Dollar Swiss franc, no problem. Hello sir, you are giving good confidence in trading. Thank you. Zeliver, thank you for you mentioning that. Steve, USD CHF, you look at it, AUD NZD. What's the course price, sir? Okay, Theo, the course, you can go to the website. There is a discount going on. If you want to learn my strategies, always join the lifetime access, because only in the lifetime access you can have everything that I am teaching my students, my long-term, long established strategy that I gain after a long hard work. You can learn that strategy by joining the lifetime access plan in the website. So you see that this strategy, how it is working today. Euro dollar trade, this is the trade that we have closed on euro dollar. Now I have shown a couple of times. Now I saw some of you have joined newly, so I'm just mentioning you. Euro dollar, we have early today, we have closed this trade with 2.25 times profit. You can see on the screen, this is the trade. This is the trade signal was sent early today. And another trade that we are running is Euro GBP. You can see that, which is also entry here, stop loss here, and take profit 2-to-1, which is almost more than 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. You can see on the screen as well, Euro GBP trade that we are running. So now Euro GBP has formed a middleman. You can see that this is the trade for Euro GBP that we have entered. And also dollar yen trade, we have closed break even. AUD CAD trade gone in the other direction. So that is what happened. When we win big. If we lose small. That's how trading works, and that's how you need to understand trading. Now at this point, the hot pair for me is Aussie Yen. Okay, Aussie Yen, I'm waiting for a slow retracement. Tomorrow, if you look at the news calendar, Forex Factory. Okay, so Forex Factory, the new strategy includes the news announcement. Some of my students already learned that new strategy. So that new strategy basically will give you exactly how this news will impact the price action. So some of my students is learning now. It's a huge gold mine strategy. Now you see that Aussie Yen, Aussie, tomorrow there will be news announcement in the morning. So that Aussie Yen probably will give us, now according to our news trading strategy, we will find a big trade on Aussie Yen, and I am observing keenly for that. So my hot pair now is Aussie Yen and an Aussie dollar. So especially Aussie Yen might give us a big trade tomorrow, probably along this zone. If it satisfies the rules of our news trading strategy, the news strategy that I uploaded on the website, will trade based on this strategy. I'm watching price action for this one now. So let me look at 4 hour long from demand zone. Yeah, GBP JPY. What about US 30 and NAS 30? So US 30 and NAS 100. What I think that, let me look at it. So okay, so US 30, I think that US 30 will reverse from here. The way the price action form, it's a reversal. Okay, I think that US 30 will drop probably here or even lower than this. Okay, this is my prediction. The way the price action form, see, when I look at price action, I understand something intuitively I understand, or maybe because I looked at a lot of chart that even without analyzing, I don't know how my brain does. I can guess. I do analysis, but I can't explain how this happened. But when I look at, I feel, I see the pattern, what is going to happen next. So to me, US 30 is reversal. Let's see what happened. Okay, I could be wrong at any point. Gold short. Okay, GBP CHF short. Okay, it's creating a bearish price action, but to me it's short. Okay, BTC USD also trying to create a bearish price action, but crypto little bit different now, so we'll keep aside. Aussie Yen, I'll be waiting for a retracement, and then I'll consider selling Aussie Yen from the suitable place. Okay, and GJ, the same thing. I will be waiting for a possible retracement. Probably best will be if it goes up to test this previous support as resistance, and then selling from here will be the best place for trading. And GBP CAD, what I am expecting the price to go up to test this resistance, which is nearing. So I think it will go very soon in a sell zone, GBP CAD, and it will have a good momentum. GBP CAD long term is bearish. You can see this is the daily time frame, and nice looking trend line here. Okay, on the daily perspective. So GBP CAD coming in a really good place for selling. And tomorrow CAD news, as I mentioned in most of my analysis, tomorrow CAD news coming, and that zone could be a very good place for selling GBP CAD, keeping the stop loss above this high. Even 2 to 1 or 1 to 1.5 could be a good trade if the stop loss above this swing high. So it could be a very high probability trade setup. Theo says how to send you a private message. Theo, go to the website, you can find a link. So let me give you the website link. Okay, VIP signals and strategies. So you can find live chat option in the website, where you can use the live chat option to directly message. So if you ask for me, they will forward your message to me, or I will be able to talk to you in the website. A live chat option available, you can talk to them. So now you can find a website link for at the top of this chat, which is pinned, and you can go to the website to find out more. So GBP CAD, what I think that is going to a very important zone for coming for a possible shorting opportunity. Okay. Yeah, guys, so yeah, we are almost at the end of this live trading session. Let me know if you have any question, guys and girls, so that I know what you are up to. I can give you the best possible setup for today's. I might stay a bit longer. Let me see what other pairs are doing. Let's look at AUD NZD. Okay, so AUD NZD basically creating a bearish price action now. Looking at the daily, okay, so AUD NZD is setting up for a drop. Okay, AUD getting weaker. AUD NZD, you can see that the price already has dropped, now retraced. Now it is preparing for another drop. Now you can see that on the 4-hour perspective, if you look at tomorrow AUD news in the morning, so this candle could be a nice selling candle for AUD NZD. It has created a strong bearish price action, guys and girls. It has broken up, basically hit some, grabbed some liquidity, and then now started to drop. Okay, so what I think that the price will continue to drop from here. The price already has created a bearish price action. This is a bearish engulfer after this manipulation to the upside, and then we could potentially see that AUD NZD is coming down. So I think that AUD NZD will drop. We might see a bigger drop. You see the price already broke this support zone here. AUD NZD, you can see that this is the support here. Okay, support here, support here, support here. It has tested as a resistance, and then you see the price after testing as a resistance penetrated this level. It's a liquidity grab. Okay, and then we see as it's rejected down with a bearish engulfer crossing this 20 period moving average, means that AUD NZD now setting up for a bigger move. Now if you look at the bigger picture on AUD NZD from the monthly perspective, guys and girls, you can see that AUD NZD on the monthly, there is a probability for a drop. Why? Because there is a big move happen on the monthly. If you take your Fibonacci from the low to the high on the monthly perspective, we could see at least 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is the minimum Fibonacci level on AUD NZD. And what we could see, if you look at the weekly, there is already a weekly bearish candle. The price is now waiting for a breakdown from this weekly support zone. Okay, and then we could see a bigger move on AUD NZD. Now daily perspective, we have seen the price already penetrated the daily high, and we see a rejection. Now 4-hour, the price already has created, grabbed the liquidity, preparing for a bigger move on AUD NZD. So I think that AUD NZD will drop. AUD NZD is in a downtrend now. Okay, so GBP USD, we have seen already a proper after this one, we see now the price is going up, and what I think that the price will remain within this level will create a bearish price action and will continue to drop, like the euro dollar is doing the same, the price going up again, and it will go up for a proper retracement, and then we could potentially see that the price again coming down. So JPY pair could be a very good pair for trading for now, and Aussie Yen, that's the same thing. I will be waiting for a retracement on Aussie Yen, GBP JPY, the same way for a potential retracement, then we can see a drop on this one as well. So this is it, guys. I will be wrapping up this session today due to some technical difficulty. I know that some subscriber couldn't find the link. Anyway, hopefully that tomorrow it will be resolved and we will have a better stream. Today also we had a good stream. So yeah, in the meantime, guys and girls, if you want to learn our strategies and also trade with us, you can find a link in the description. With that said, guys and girls, thank you for joining this live session. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, GBP USD slow moving up means like going up for a retracement. That's how the market moves. You'll see a drop and then retracement and drop and retracement. That's how the market will move. Okay, guys, so see you tomorrow. BTC analysis. Okay, let me look at the BTC before I wrap up. Okay, so BTC, we see that let me look at the bigger picture, monthly. Weekly, daily. I think BTC will come down further, will drop further, probably will drop to this this below this green candle, probably will test this 20 period moving average, and then we might see a bullish pattern. So we might see a bit drop on BTC USD, or I think that you see that there is a drop followed by the narrow candle is being created, means we could see another drop on BTC USD. I think that it will drop further. Thank you, Justin. Yeah, so that's all today, guys and girls. I'll see you tomorrow in this live session again with some new content, some new ideas. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to smash the like button. And there are some new content coming. Keep watch them. That are really huge value in this content. Thank you. See you soon.